It's actually nice here on Section 8. Boy, we climbed pretty quick right there. Look down in there. Watch for the, ooh, yeah, there's a branch sticking out there, guys. Watch it on the right. Dan, I'm thinking that this one might not be a good one to be brushing up against the weeds. Watch out for a head bobber on the left. You can stay left. Oh yeah, we are. Oh, partner in climb. Everybody okay? Slow down, guys. Slow down, guys. Slow down. There's a bike up here. I don't know. No, they're stop. Oh, there they are. Okay. You guys all right?
Yeah, we had somebody take a stroll around the corner here, and he's off the road.
Oh, okay. We'll help. We can help. We got a biker down. We're coming. Hey, give us a moment. We'll help you. Hold on.
Yeah.
You got it? If you want to go by me. Yeah, just park in front of me and then lean it up against there. You guys all right? Other than taking a little bit of a spill? Hey, road here, woods over here. Is that your bike?
No.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm pretty good at finding off-road adventures here, you know.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. I'll get down in there with you. I'll get down. 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay. All right. I got your back, big guy. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, you got put it in neutral or pull the clutch. There. Okay. Oh yeah, no problem.
You got a picture of that, right?
I've been filming the whole time.
Good.
It'll be on YouTube in about 3 weeks.
You guys can't. I'm not going to stand down. I know how it feels.
Except for he's the one who went down.
Oh, that's me. Yeah.
Let's see if the bike's okay.
Let's point it downhill a little.
Yeah, let's see if the bike's okay. He's good.
Yeah,
all right. You okay? How you feeling?
Great. That was awesome.
Did you slide off that slide down into the rut?
It got into the washout.
Yeah.
And then it got all sideways. That's the second one.
Where are you guys from?
Connecticut.
Nice.
Out here.
You guys are further out than we are from being from Cincy.
Oh, yeah. Came through there. Anyway.
Hey, thanks for the help, guys. Your timing was great.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah.
So you can.
So far, it's fun.
Yeah. Just, you know.
I hear you.
It's a lot of fun though. It's a beautiful
You guys
spot.
have a safe trip.
Take it easy, you too.
Yeah. All right, you got this. All right, gang. Take care. Hope he's good and healthy. Oh, we got somebody else down up here. Hold on. I don't know. You guys okay? You okay? All right. Just want to make sure. What's that?
You weren't heading down?
No, we're going up. I think she really thought that guy was hurt because I think she had her first aid in hand, you know, and she was I don't know, but you could definitely tell she was. I mean, we would all be like nervous, you know, if one of us went down and did something like that, right? But and you can see her look when we were like, "Hey, is everything okay?" And she goes, "Well, one of our guys went down," and you can see she had her first aid kit. I'm more happy the guy's okay, and the baby GS survived.